This man doesn't even have a stand. It's gonna slip off.
It's not. I've been to Wembley, but I've not actually
Been to London.
been to Wembley.
My angle. Watch.
Oh no, my eyes.
Look at that up there.
Oh, you actually started firing out water or something.
I know. Yeah, but it's massive, man.
I don't feel like coming in.
Carousel bar spinning around. Roasted chestnut. What if someone just vomited and it just like look at the state of that. There's another one going over there now as well.
Oh yeah, it's that big spending.
Oh. Yeah, my mum and dad would like this one more than the other bit. What is that? The crisps? They're making crisps. What now? They squeeze them out like a cow's udder. I can't even. Yeah. Are you not having any on?
No. Just one with salt, please. Just salt, yeah. Thank you. Card.
That was so awkward to eat. And like drop it.
That extra thick.
How do I eat it? Get me a bit off. It is a crisp.
Well, no.
It is a crisp. That shot would have been good if I were actually zoomed out.
On the moon?
Oh my god, yeah. I can't zoom in that much. Nah, telling me them lights are not a bit so what the heck
I can have a churros with chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yes, please. Chocolate, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, please.
Yeah, alright. So, excuse the messy room. Hi. Dave is over there eating his. What is it?
A 5-berry bowl.
We've just been to Costa, not and Pret, as you can see, and got myself a chocolate croissant and a soy hot chocolate. And I'm actually upset because they used to do a lactose-free, just normal dairy milk, and then now they don't, so that sucks. But I'm gonna eat this, and yeah, that's it. Never where we're going.
Harry Potter.
And the cursed child, yeah. Can't see it because the bus isn't quick. Don't care about no. Eat what a. Oh, like it's like a furry. A furry one. Wow. Oh, it's there.
We're gonna cross over here.
Yeah. I see it. Look near, look, there's like Harry Potter merch.
Oh, okay.
What I was thinking is it going to be there?
So we're at Wingstop. Never been before. Just while Nathan dies. I'm gonna say that again, we're at Wingstop. Not been here before. Packing up to go home. I'm really tired and I don't know what I was gonna say. I look kind of gross, so like, ignore that. I'm really tired and we've only been here 2 nights. Yeah, ignore the size of the suitcase for the amount of time we've been, but I thought I'd need more stuff, but we didn't because the hotels supplied quite a lot of the stuff. And yes, it's only been 2 nights and I'm kind of sad to go. I'm like not sad like I don't want to go home because, well, I don't know about you, but I love going home. But like it's just been nice and this is a nice place, and we didn't really explore much of London because we just kind of did the fixed activities, and I just like spending time with Nathan. So when we go home we're just going to be going to our separate homes as well. So yeah. sensation. Ignore the fact that I look like a literal egg. Got my chocolate croissant. We made it to platform 9 3/4. Literally there. I can't zoom in. But I'm not getting a picture because I'm too cheap. But you should have to pay to get a picture when you stood next to the wall. Like, what's that about? Anyway, let me just capture the moment. They turned it red. More close. Back in Leeds. Who needs 2 scarves when you've got 1? It's not even staying. I look like a literal egg.
You done?